1, 2, 3. The reality is 1 equals 34, 2 equals to 58, 3 equals to 56. 356 for group number 3. So when you go into group number 3, where Earth is in this row, 3, 6, 9, this becomes 3 times the amount, this becomes 2 times the amount, 3 and 2. That's what happens to it. So when you get the B letter, because I was looking in Russian letters, the N letter and the B letter, the B shows the N exchange with the B in Russian. So right away I went to think. I said, okay, the B, this is the area of the B row. What's in the B row? B is 2 and it becomes 6 to dog. B is 2 and it becomes 4. This is what happens to N. N joins the 2 together. B is showing you them joined together now through the Russian way where the B and N exchange themselves. I hope I got this right. 2 and 4 is the cat, center left, center right, or looking at you, center right, center left. Okay, 6 and 4. At the same time, it says Dio or Bio. 5 and 2, 7, 5 and 8, 13. The M letter, which connects two sides together, creates the word federation, 4, 5, and 6. Over here. It says he, B, H-E-B, 555, 555, we've connected right through, equals 666, 3 cubes, because we can get 5 times 3 equals 15. We get 5 areas, every valued at 3, the middle of all the areas equals to 15. Automatically, if you can go to this number, you automatically get 6, because the light comes in with 5. From one to the next, to the transfer world, 555 brings the light. It brings the light within 6. 1 is in here. The 15th letter is over here, 1 and 5. 1 inside 6. 1 and 5 is the letter O, the 15th letter. So we get 18 becomes R. H-E-B-R. Hebrew. Hebrew, if you want to say it. Why? Because the R letter, okay, and I make this up as I go, but the R letter, you silly wabbit, where they can't say the R. Now they are saying the R, but they're not saying the R in the silly wabbit. So you can now say Hebrew, if you like. In what one language the R didn't count, within the other language it only the W counts, not the R. Rabbit, rabbit is wabbit. W, 2 and 3, instead of R, 18. The R will show you the O world. The W will show you the creation of 1 times 2. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals the 3 and 2. How Father created 2 and 3, and not how the R 18th letter after it was created and recreated inside of 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 by 3 is 12. 3 by 3 is 9. 2 by 3 is 6. What are we playing? If we're in the 3s, let's use all the 3s. 9 by 3 is 27. It's the red beta gates. It's a red-nosed reindeer. 7 times the 3 world is 21. It's Abba. It's the U world. We bring in the E world, 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, because all the calculations that have to go along with the mechanical system that's set up. You start running one station, you start running the next station. I can't tell you 2 stations at the same time. And when I jump in to tell you what happened from this station to the last station, you wouldn't know. So I'm telling you now. If you add it together, 1 becomes 134. 1 in front of 34 saying, I am 1, I am 34. I don't even need 1 in front. I know what 34 is. 34 is 1, but I am the spirit of DC. 1 and 1 equals 2. 6 and 8, the mind. 9, the 8, the high heaven. Because we must flip things upside down to really understand what the other perception is from the other side of the relativity of Einstein. 34, 3 times 4, 3 plus 4 into 2 worlds equals 11. Equals 12 and 7, 19. 34 equals 53, and we get electric company 106 becomes 616, electric company of the spirit of 76, bringing in the light. It's a mule. E&O. The association of the O automatically tells me I have the AC power. AC power comes with AC. AC, 1 and 3rd letter. 13th letter is M. 1 and 3. Put 1 and 3 together. 1 is 34. 3 is 56 equals to 90. 90 equals 96. 96 in the 7 world is 2 and 1. 96 in the 10 world is 41. 3 and 5, electric company. 41. 4 minus 0 equals 6. 4 minus 9 equals 5. Aleph. 90 equals 96. 6 and 1 and 9 minus 2 equals to the 7th gate. 6 and 2 inside the Venus world. 1 and 4, because 0 equals 6, equals to the 10-10 world. 1 and 4, the 1 heart to the 4 corners. See the 4 corners in this design? I overlap. I play on top. 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, and this one goes above it and runs 1 off of each and the center of itself. So this becomes 4, 8, 12, 16, becomes 12 and 4. This becomes the purple ball. Would that be the purple heart? Or would that be the creation between blue and red on how we come to creating purple? 1 and 3 is 34 and 56. 7 and 2, the clock. 9 times 8 of the high sky we just talked about equals 72, which is the clock. 6 and 4 and 6 and 3 is 9. 9, 10. 5 and 4 is 9, 8. 9, 10, the high sky of the birth in the 2 worlds. 10. 1 to 9 equals 10. You're automatically born over here. Between the 2 is 5. 5, 10, 15. 5, 5, 5 equals 1.25. You are 1/4. 3 parts out of 4. 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 Leap year. When we put 2 and 3 together, we get 114. That represents Abraham and the hand of God. When you add 1 to 14, it equals 105, equals 165. It equals to the same number here inside itself. Raphael, 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Wow, I can't leave go to the video yet. Who's calling? Oh boy, I'd have to call back. Wow. Okay, so we did 1, 2, 3. If we bring 1, 2, 3 together, 1 equals to 1 equals to, I could have just shut the sound off. 1 equals to 7. 2 equals to 4. 7 and 4. 1 and 2. The middle of 5 equals to 7 and 4. The middle of 7 and 4 is 11. 7 times 4, 7 plus 4 creates Einstein 1776 and many other things. If you ask me the exact question, I'll give you the exact answer. I'm not going to go through it right now. But 1776, the orphan children, Neptune, Einstein, just in the word Einstein alone, because Einstein has a 95 letter count. 1776 shows up with also the same count as inside the count of counting 295. The rotation is EIEIO, which is 5959 equals to 14. E and I, 14th letter is N. The total is 28. Okay, his total is 28. 7 by 4 is 28. 7 plus 4 is 11, equaling to 39. The S and T is next, and it spells Einstein. Where else was I? So that's how these numbers come together. So this is 2 Venus world. 3 talks about the 2 Venus world, about the 7th gate, about the delta moons, the 2, 13. 8 and 5 is 13, 2, 13. ABC. Why? Because we have 13. We come over. This becomes 7. If you want to go 0, 3, 4, we can go 6, 3, 4. But then we'll have to multiply it and go 6 by 4 is 24 and 180 is 204 is 264. 264 is something to do with videoing. I'm not really sure what that is. Anyways, Raphael, and I know it was a tough finish to this one. I should have shut down the phone. Thank you for watching this video. Raphael 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. So we added up the 1. We added up the 1, right? We added up. 7 and 13 is 20. Transmission, 2 worlds. 20 plus 11 is 31. AC transmission from 1, 2, 3, and we get the M. Or we get the M for Mac, AC transmission, MAC, because it is AC, ABC. 7, 4, and 8 is 12, and 6 is 18. 13 and 18. 13, 1 and 3 is 4, and 9. 9 by 4 is 36. 9 plus 4 is 13. AC rotation 360 degrees. There's a lot of things I can do in here. It's just that when you're looking for something and then you come up with the equation and you figure something out and you say, I got it. When you're in the middle of nowhere, it's a little bit more bland. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.